My favorite part about it is actually the red interior. It's got this like exotic look to it. We are back here once again with another one of these really cool brick cars from Mould King. This one is the McLaren 650S. And I gotta say, I'm probably most excited to build this one, mostly because I'm a supercar guy. So yeah. The last one we did was this guy right here, Paul Walker's Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I think it came out all right. So I'm very excited to see how the McLaren looks. And yes, this one also does come with a display case. Here is a close-up on the box so you can see the details. Looks pretty good. I like the side profile the best, personally. I think this quarter angle doesn't really do it justice. At first I was kind of like, I don't know how much that looks like a McLaren, but once I looked at the back right here, I kind of realized, you know what? It actually might come out looking pretty good. Let's open the box up. Let's see what comes inside. So right in the outside, you have the clear plastic around the display case. The manual is stuck to the bottom, full color, and then some stickers. Not very many here. Looks like just like a license plate, the speedometer. And then inside we have that's it for the unboxing. Let's get this build started.
Yeah. Had a dream to start something, didn't know the way. Read a couple books, learned how to think straight. Changed how I saw things, changed how I moved. Didn't have a plan, just something to prove. Cars in my head since I was knee-high. Hot wheels on the floor, big dreams inside. Brick by brick, let the vision breathe. Funny how building things builds belief. Brick by brick, I'm building belief. Every quiet step goes deeper than it seems. From toy cars rolling to whatever's afar. It's never just metal, it's the love of the car. It's never just metal, it's the love of the car. Hit record one day, didn't know what I'd say. Just show what I love, let it play. Some days felt lost, some days felt clear, but momentum grows when you stay right here. Supercar dream, yeah, it sounds kinda wild, but if I'm there someday calm and smiling, it means every doubt I chose not to hear turned into proof by staying sincere. Funny thing is, while you're watching this build, something in you's getting quieter still. No rush, no push, just time passing through, like maybe you're building something too. Yeah, you're building something too.
Okay, the build is complete, and I would actually say it's a pretty good looking representation of a McLaren. This build was actually a little more difficult than some of the other ones I've done, and I attest that to McLaren having a ton of funky angles. As you can see right here, the front splitter, the right front near the headlights, as well as on the left, just a bunch of weird shapes. So it wasn't the easiest build in the world, and I will say, I want to point this out, I really struggled with a few of these angles here. Like, see this little blue brick here? It's actually like way up inside, whereas this little post here with these two bricks on it, that's all the way over here. So it's kind of coming from that angle, and in the picture, it looks like the blue brick is literally right next to it, but it's actually not. It's actually like way down in here. So there was a couple of those in the manual that kind of tripped me up, but I mean, other than that, I'd say it's a pretty simple build. It took me about an hour, just like the other ones we've done. Now, I've asked a few people if they could kind of guess what they thought this was. The few people who answered both said Corvette, and well, I kind of can see how they would think that. My favorite part about it is actually the red interior. It's got this like exotic look to it. It really pops against the white. I actually considered potentially painting the outside of the rim black, I think that might look a little bit better since white and black always looks good. And it's kind of missing taillights, so I'm not really sure what the deal with that is. I don't have a 650S picture offhand to know exactly where the taillights are, but I feel like they probably could have done something a little bit better. Build quality in this one feels a lot better than the Eclipse. The Eclipse didn't come together the strongest. The spoiler was a real pain, but this one feels nice and solid compared to it. So, but yeah, I mean, it looks great. Let's go ahead and toss it into the display stand. If I'm correct, this is the way it's supposed to be. I do believe that's how it goes on. Or something, maybe it's this way. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Overall, not bad, guys. I mean, for an off-brand, these things are really, really good. Lego is not the only competitor in the market, guys. So if you're skipping these brands, as I've said before, let me just tell you, you shouldn't be. Typically, they're cheaper per brick than Lego, and you're getting a very, very similar end result. But I have to be honest and say that this is just suitable for me to say that it's a McLaren. I built a McLaren P1 well near 10 years ago, and I can assure you, it came out not looking anything like a P1. They have gotten better recently, but yeah, back in the day, they didn't look much like the car. I would give this a solid 8 out of 10. I'm really liking it. And we got more of these to build, guys, so this won't be the last video you see like this. Here's the other ones I have. I have a Rio Bricks Lamborghini. We have a Rio Bricks Bugatti. We have a Rio Bricks Ferrari, which is actually this car, which I think is pretty cool. We also have a Maserati. That's probably the most realistic one. And then as far as the ones with the cases go, we have an AE86 and we have a Pagani Zonda. So if you made it to the end, guys, let me know which one you'd like to see for the next video, and I'll do that. I just really wanted to get the McLaren done because, again, I just love supercars. So links are in the description, guys. Use code MHP, save yourself 10% on these cars. Pick one up, try them out. I think you'll be satisfied. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.